A chief protects his own. That's what Dad always said.
And he was right. But as much as we love our dragons, they are not our own. There's a fine line between being a protector and a captor.
I knew it. I'm dead.
No, but you gave it your best shot.
And this is Toothless. He says we're going. Now, you just scared him. Hey! You left my dragon back there!
Nothing
We
without
can't play on his own, he'll drown! Please,
I'm sorry,
just
Dad.
don't hurt Toothless.
Thank you for saving my son.
You are my best friend, but save him.